got the vendetta, rolling up the letter, suicidal pen.
We're here in downtown Dallas at the George L. Allen Senior Courts Building, 600 Commerce Street. Sergeant. We got domestic relations, family court services, central order. Hi.
We'll be nice.
Dallas County Fire Marshal.
She's cool, I know her. She's cool. Excuse me.
Let's see that one. Dallas District Attorney Protective Orders. Hi.
Hello.
What is this place?
It's the DA's office, protective orders.
So this is solely to get like protective orders on people? See, I thought police did protective orders and courts did court orders. Like, how does that differ? Like,
Police can do emergency protective orders. The courts do 2-year permanent protective orders.
okay. So you guys are you guys just DA? Are you attorneys or what exactly is your titles?
Victim advocate.
Victim advocates? Okay. Thank you for your time. Court clerks. 256 Judicial Court. I thought that was in Johnson County. That's 253rd.
I don't get consent to be recorded.
Well, this is a public office.
I don't consent for my face being recorded.
Well, sorry.
Sorry. Have a good day.
You too. I already got you.
That's cool. Take care.
You too.
And I authorize my non-consent, so
Okay.
you record my face. What's your name?
I already did. I didn't give it.
You not giving it?
No, she says she doesn't authorize her face to be recorded.
Where you going? How you business? He's security.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this lady is nuts.
You tried to grab his camera,
Why are you
man.
doing that? Put your camera in my face. I'm not. I'm right
You're
here.
You're actually putting your camera above in our face. We don't authorize our consent, so you're not authorized to record it.
We got this all on video, lady.
That's all right. You can put
What
it
are you
on
doing?
video. You can put it all on video.
What
All
are
right
you-
here.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna put it on YouTube, man.
Put it on YouTube.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Go down the 4th floor. It's 2 guys, a white male in a green shirt. Go forth, and another male in
A black shirt?
Something black shirt. 2 white males.
Oh my god.
Filming in public. You think you have privacy in public?
It doesn't matter what. If I haven't authorized my consent for you to record,
You need to learn the law if you work for a
No,
judge.
sorry.
We don't need
We're
your
not
consent.
attorneys, so we don't.
Well, that's the thing. We don't.
Well,
need your
then learn the
consent.
law. This is a public building.
Uh-oh, she's hitting the panic button. Did she lock the door?
Huh? No. Can I ask you a question? Are you a sheriff?
Deputy sheriff.
Okay. Well, this lady in here, we go in here and film. This is a public building, public office, protected by the First Amendment. All he does is put his camera up, and she reached out and grabs it.
Okay.
Okay.
She hit the panic button.
She hit the panic button and called the police on us and all this.
All right.
Is that the call you're getting?
Hold on one second. I'm listening. Yeah, the sergeant's coming up right now.
Okay.
Actually, just called.
Well, she actually made contact with
Tell
him.
her, tell her it's not necessary. We don't.
No, that's the fire marshal you're thinking of. He's probably calling a deputy.
Is it-
No. It's Marshal Services in charge of building security.
Oh, she's coming up.
Right, she's
oh,
on
she
her way.
knows us.
Yeah.
Okay, well, the issue though is this clerk struck his camera, and all we were doing was filming, which is perfectly legal.
Which clerk was it?
Right here. Let's go talk to her. She hit the panic button, called all these guys with guns just for a camera. It's crazy. She's putting like cardboard boxes up, like, you know, she doesn't consent. Well, she's in public, so. We got the one that struck him, actually, struck his camera.
For the video, I struck the camera.
He had his camera up like this, and she struck it. So,
And I also did not give my consent to be on it.
tell her when she's in public.
Candace will be down here.
Can you just educate her, please?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna step around.
All right, cool.
Right.
Hey, no man.
He's educating them. I would thought they'd say work with a judge's office. They would know the
Hey,
law.
look at this. They have an old cell here, like a holding cell.
With a Christmas tree in
Look,
it.
there's like a little sink in there. I haven't used it in a while, you can tell.
Well, that they don't need consent because
They need consent for me because my name is.
because you work for the public.
He's educating her right now, and it's burning her up.
Anything there, you can talk to them. I'm not, I don't have to engage part. I've already
But anything within public view, they're allowed to.
Well, it's no longer in use, so it's during the lunch hour, so.
No, eyes can't be trespassed either, and the camera can't.
Candace will be here, but just get them away from out, they're no longer allowed in there. We're closed for the lunch hour.
All right, gentlemen.
Where's the sergeant? See, I'm glad you educated her. I'm glad you educated her, so. I mean, that's all it is, you know? She just needs
Did,
more education.
By chance, did y'all put the camera over, like,
Not over. I've got it all on film. He put it up.
Patrick, did y'all put the camera over by chance, or? Patrick.
Hey, how's it going?
I talked to him.
Oh, man,
Talked with
pleasure
her.
meeting you yet.
Josh.
Josh,
Nice to
okay.
meet you.
Yes.
I talked with her and talked with them. It seems like they're just there with the cameras, which they're allowed to do.
Yeah, yeah.
And I went back there, explained to them that it's a public area, so we're going to record it.
Okay. Sergeant, you know Sergeant.
Yeah, we talked to her earlier.
Yeah.
Well, the problem is
Deputy Cirola, by the way.
Yeah, she said she'd talk to you guys earlier.
Josh,
Cirola, by the
nice to
way.
meet you.
No, I know who she is.
Okay, okay. I think she's gonna come up here anyway.
I mean, if
just
she
to-
doesn't, she doesn't. We're leaving.
Do you guys have a vending machine? This is making me thirsty.
Just so y'all know, I went here and talked to her.
Yeah.
Let her know that y'all are allowed to record right there.
Yeah,
Since
thank
it's a
you.
public area, anything with.
Awesome, I'm
within-
glad.
The clerk can also request that their image not be.
Not true.
But if it's in a public area, they're still.
No, I understand
Yeah.
that. But you
There's
can't
not-
stick
Hey,
it through the
Sergeant.
counter.
Yeah. Well, that, I don't know if they did or didn't.
I've got it all on film.
Again, both
And you can
sides.
review the camera in your office, and you can.
What would be great though, if you guys could kind of talk to Ira about that, because make sure you guys are on the same page regarding.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
Mr.
sorry,
Lord,
she'll take care of
how are you
it.
doing? Sergeant Hickman.
Hey, how you doing?
There you go. There you go.
So yeah, so I mean, I understand they're telling them they can film, but it'd be definitely great if you go speak to our administration, because we're told to just say that we don't authorize our image to be placed anywhere, and at that point,
Yeah, because it is a right
Get that.
to do all that. So
you guys could go downstairs and just
and who
make-
do you want me to just talk to?
You
down
can
there?
probably talk to Connie Jones, who's the operations director,
Oh.
because the clerks are given a certain directive,
Mhm.
and so it just
Yeah.
be good if you just speak to them and let them know.
Okay. Yeah, but just so that we're on the same page, they can. We've gone through this, but they can record. They can't come in there unless it's posted by a court order. That they're not allowed to come in there. So just so you know, okay? And I will go down there and talk to her.
There you go. Thank you.
A panic button's not really necessary
Yeah.
Okay.
for cameras. I don't think the panic button's necessary for cameras. That's dangerous. You know, if you guys didn't know who we were, you could have been, you know, potentially, we could have been potentially harmed because she wants to push a panic button for illegal activity. But that's all I'm saying. But I'm glad he was educated and you're educated and you educated her. So
Hickman knows me.
yeah, and that's all. That's all it is.
She's out. She's somewhere around here. She's
Yeah. Y'all got a vending machine in here?
that?
Y'all got a vending machine?
Yeah, if you take the elevators on this side, the basement will be on that side.
Does it take credit cards?
Does the vending machine take credit cards? Okay.
Dang.
We do have cafeteria in the basement also. They sell snacks and drinks.
We'll probably just go get something to eat. Let's go to the basement real quick. Something to drink.
Yeah, I talked to him pretty freaking honestly,
So are you back in Oklahoma? Are you staying?
No, I live in Oklahoma. I'm actually going to be moving to Colorado.
Did you ever get back?
I did.
Have a good day.
You too, man. Thanks for educating her. I'm glad you know you're right, and I'm glad you know the law and everything, because a lot of officers don't. But you have a good day, man. Nice to meet you.
I was tired. I just ran.
Okay.
Came back out. Gone 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Bye. See y'all later.
Okay, man.
It's a dead end over here.
Oh, and
Josh.
Hickman. Nice to meet you. Y'all be careful.
You too. So that was, the Dallas County Courts building, guys. Seems the officers are educated. The clerks are not. And it's surprising, since they work for a judge, that they wouldn't be educated on public photography. Yep. So, that was the George Allen Courts building, guys. Nomad out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Peace.